as a featured seller here on Avicii. I say their search engine is quite a useful tool when it comes to accessing customers for your product. Initially, when I started selling, I didn't know I could index my site directly with them to leverage the population on their search engine. I must confess, most of the searchers on their engine are mostly from America, Europe, and Asia. I live in Australia, so I didn't get to benefit much from their customer base and the integrated results from Google, Yahoo, and Yandex. But you have nothing to worry about getting access to customers using your seller store on Avicii itself. Avicii has such a great trove of material, all of it professionally polished and easily searchable. On the flip side, I wasn't cool with the seller's verification process. It took more than 5 minutes stated. I did the email, phone, and ID verification. The whole process took 15 min, a tough verification process. The licensing is a breeze, and I feel protected at all times. I couldn't run my business without it.